Welcome to the third part of this online course, where you'll learn to play the hanging tree. This part is all about octaves. In the previous part, you've played the octaves mostly as arpeggios. Arpeggio means playing the notes of a chord after each other instead of all at the same time. In this part, you learn to play octaves mostly as chords. If you have small hands, I hope you did the exercises I suggested daily to train your hands. Octaves can be difficult if you have small hands, because you cannot reach both notes at the same time yet. If at this point you can't reach the octave, then take it slow. And most importantly, do not overstretch your hands. Playing the piano must not be painful. Just practice this and all the other exercises I suggested and will suggest further on daily. And your fingers will stretch. Be patient. Do not overstretch. Be kind to your hands and your hands will be kind to you. Let's look at the exercise. It's an exercise for the right hand. The exercise starts on the afterbeat of the fourth beat. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The notes are not that difficult. They are the same as the lead melody. After the first note, they are all octaves. If you have small hands, play it really slow and do not overstretch. I cannot say that too often. You don't want to injure yourself. How are you doing with clapping the rhythm of each exercise? Let's clap this one together, just as a reminder to keep doing that before you practice the exercise at 30 BPM. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're ready to practice exercise 19A at 30 BPM. I get back to you after you did exercise 19A at 90 BPM. Until then, enjoy practicing.